This is just a little quick video that I wanted to make because I ran into a problem. I just picked up this fully manual lens. There are no contacts on the, let me see, let's do this move. Is it picking it up? Yeah, as you can see, there's no contacts, so it's fully manual. But I don't really mind much with a wide lens like this. It's a fisheye, and at 7mm, if you set the focus to about 3 feet away from you, or infinity, you're fine. Everything will be in focus. This is a lens that I've used, or a lens like this. I have a Rokinon version that I use on my DSLR for years and years and years, and I love these types of lenses, so I got one for the Canon M50. But the problem is, the Canon M50 from the factory comes with the ability to use fully manual lenses turned off. So what happens is, you connect this to the camera and you go to fire the shutter and it won't release. And it took me a little digging around to figure this out, but I was in the menu systems. So if you open up the menu inside the M50 and you go to the little wrench icon, and then you go to the custom functions menu, inside of there you will scroll over to the third section and you'll have the ability to release the shutter without a lens attached to the camera. So that is what this actually needed, because since the camera is not reading this lens in any way, it doesn't know if there's a lens on the camera. And I guess they leave it set that way as a default to protect the sensor. So once you enable that function, the M50 will shoot with any lens you put on it, especially manual lenses. So you won't have any issues with that. That was just a little something I ran into. So this is just a little quick tip video for Canon M50 users. Okay, see you in the next one.